She's laughing at me because this is actually the second take that we're doing, and yes, I am using this video. So I hope everybody had an absolutely wonderful Thanksgiving as we did. And we're not going to talk about what we talked about earlier, but we had a great Thanksgiving with friends and family at our house. And so now we are going to make the traditional, what, 3-year tradition? Something like that. Anyway, something like that, 3 or 4 year traditional leftover pie. So in this video, you're going to see how we make a leftover pie that's super easy. We think you should all do it afterwards. And she's still laughing at me, which is absolutely wonderful. Love you. So hope you all enjoyed this video. So first off, the number one most important thing is make sure that you're preheating your oven to 375 degrees. Different leftovers, but these are the leftovers that we have and what we're going to use for our pie. Now obviously the pie shell is not leftover, but you can go out and get yourself a Pillsbury pie dough. So what we use is we have the mashed potatoes, we have gravy, we have turkey, we have stuffing, we have carrots and turnips, which is one that probably not a lot of people have, and we also have Brussels sprouts. So all of these are going to go into our pie. And just out of abundance of caution, we're going to go ahead and spray our pan. So that way we know that nothing sticks to our pan. And yes, those are bags of potato chips that we were having earlier today. It is Friday, Black Friday after, so you know, you can't have just all leftovers. Somebody else we know gets leftovers too, don't you? Oh yeah, we've got turkey in our dish because mommy and daddy love you, don't we? Okay, so our step one, obviously Kelly's already put in the pie shell. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to spread the mashed potatoes into the bottom of our pie shell. And I'm not gonna do every second because every second would just be totally boring. And this is a boring old guy channel, but that's just way too much. Here we go, layer one, mashed potatoes on the pie shell as Kelly is washing her hands so that way there is no cross-contamination. Here's where we have the wonderful discussion of what really goes next. So what we decided to do is we're going to do Brussels sprouts. We're gonna do the veggies, which is our Brussels sprouts and our carrots and turnips. And we're going to put that on first. And then we'll do our turkey, our gravy, and then our stuffing, and then we'll cover it with the shell. So there you go, enough veggies. Kelly's hoping it's all gonna fit. I think we're gonna fit perfectly fine. So now we're gonna get turkey, put our leftover turkey on there. And if you saw the short, you know what went on in the turkey. If you haven't seen the short yet, you need to go find the Wine Tip 11 short, which talks about what we used for our turkey this year. Here comes the gravy. So I have no doubt a lot of people are going to watch this video and say, hey old guy, your lighting sucks. Well, we have that light right there, and we have that light right there. So this is not a professional studio. This is not a professional kitchen. This is our kitchen. Here we go. Now we have stuffing. So if you remember, we had mashed potatoes, we had vegetables. See, there's my shadow. We had mashed potatoes, we have vegetables, which we have the Brussels sprouts and the carrots and turnips. Then we had our turkey and our gravy, and now we have our stuffing. So in a few seconds, this will be covered and then in the oven. While Kelly is doing the cover on the pie, I'm gonna do an egg wash. And all an egg wash is just an egg into a bowl, mix it up. Some people add water to it. We don't add water to it, do we? Oh, we do. We do add water to it. And then what you do is you brush it over top, and it gives it that nice brown look to it. Makes it look professional. We got no forks because we hosted and everything is in the dishwasher. Go ahead. I know I'm in your way. My butt's in your way. it all egg washed, and of course you got to make sure you put your little vents on the top so that way all the moisture vents out. So bring it, yes I got it. I'll bring it over into the oven. How long? That's for Lucy, by the way. How long? Alexa, set timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, starting now.
Miracle edit. I can already tell it's going to be a total mess when it comes out. Right, Kel? Mm-hmm. That's it. Oh, no. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. Lots of stuff, and then we just kind of scoop the rest out. Ooh. Now we make it pretty for the video so everybody can see that it's absolutely gorgeous and yummy, and it's very hot and warm. And there we go, folks. Leftover pie from Thanksgiving. My thumb out of the screen. Yeah, I'm definitely an old guy. I got my thumb in the screen. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for subscribing. You all have a wonderful evening and happy Thanksgiving or post-Thanksgiving. Cheers.
Cheers.
You're supposed to drink after that.
So it's Sunday and I'm editing this video to put it out, and Kelly thought of something this morning that we totally forgot. Cranberry sauce. Totally forgot our cranberry sauce, which is a garnish that we usually put on it. We didn't even have cranberry sauce out for Thanksgiving, so I guess we have some for Christmas now. So when we do our Christmas leftover, we'll have that. So cheers.